Ollie, you are our feathered friend. Now, we want to learn more about other birds like you. This is a Myna. Mynas are brown in color. The beak and the feet of a Myna are yellow. A Myna chirps. It builds nests in the trees. A Myna eats grains and small insects. This is a parrot. A parrot is a colorful bird. It is light green in color and has a red beak. A parrot squeaks and screams. It builds nests in trees and the gaps in walls. A parrot also eats tender shoots of the trees. These are sunbirds. A sunbird is a very tiny bird. It is black or gray in color. A sunbird has a wagging tail. A sunbird chirps. A sunbird builds a nest in trees. It eats grains, small insects, and nectar from the flowers.